Hey, what's happening everyone? JP here from Crypto Hobby. Wanted to make a video today on Electroneum mobile mining and give you an update on that. I have been on their waiting list for a while to be able to start mobile mining, and last night they came out on their Twitter and they made an announcement. Let's see if you can see it here. Just a quick announcement: we unlocked our second level of mobile mining beta testers last night. The results and feedback so far have been very exciting. Please remember that mobile mining is not yet available to all public. Be wary of fraudulent apps. So I signed up for this a while ago and been waiting patiently, but every time I clicked on the little miner button down here, it would say mobile mining not yet available. So last night when I looked at it, it was on this screen right here where it said start mining. So I knew I had been chosen to be in that group. I was very happy. So if you click on the button here, it'll start mining, and I'll just show you what it looks like when it starts mining. It's kind of cool. It starts doing its thing, and my hash rate is up here, 21 hashes per second, and my pending balance is 3.72 Electroneum, and active miners right now is about 6,000. So last night when I looked at it, that was about 2,000 active miners, and then this morning when I looked at it, it was about like 70. There weren't very many, and now it's shot up to 6,000. So that number in the future is expected to go up in the hundreds of thousands, maybe even the millions, as this thing catches on. So I have 2.72. Sorry, I have 2.72 Electroneum, not 3.6. Yeah. So last night I had been mining for about an hour or so, and I looked at the number of Electroneum that I had earned up here, and it was about 0.85 after about 1 hour or so. Then I left it run all night. I left it running all night, and when I woke up in the morning, though, it had shut down. So I guess my Galaxy shut it down or something. It probably knew that it was draining battery, or my background apps, when they start running, then sometimes you have to go into your settings here and reset that. If you go down to device management or device maintenance there, you can look and see if you have a Galaxy. There's a couple places where Electroneum and other apps might be on the list to shut down if they start draining. If you click on that first one that says battery, it'll create a little list, and see it's got it on there still. So I gotta figure out how to get that off. So you want to uncheck that. You definitely don't want it to shut it down. But if there's other apps on there that you want to shut down, you can check those and click fix now. And then also in the memory over here, click on memory. It'll create a list of apps. And just make sure that Electroneum is not on there. And you know, if you're going to clean it up. But there's probably some other places I need to go in here. I'll keep you posted as I go through this. I haven't really noticed it draining my battery, or, you know, the performance of the phone is pretty much the same. I haven't noticed any changes at all since this has been mining. But I've been trying to keep it on and running. It just seems like every once in a while I'll look at it, you know, because the phone turns off, and if you turn it off and then you turn it back on again, it's still running. But if I turn it off and it's off for an hour or so and I come back to it, sometimes it's not running and I have to restart it. So that might be why, you know, I only have 2.72 Electroneum in there. Now the deal is, once this 2.72 Electroneum goes up to 5 Electroneum, I don't know if that's in focus. Once it hits 5, then it will deposit those 5 into your wallet. So I have 740 Electroneum in my wallet right now, and so as soon as that hits 5, over here on my pending balance, then it will deposit those directly into my wallet. So that's pretty cool. So it's just basically earning rewards for keeping it running here and on. And technically it's probably not actual mining, but it is supposed to be the mining experience, and it keeps people on their platform, so it does have value. And I know a lot of people don't like Electroneum, and a lot of people love it. So I'm one of the people that I like it a lot. I think it's solid, and I like their project, and I like what they're working on, and I like their enthusiasm. I like the team, and that's why I'm going to hold it. I'm not buying these things to trade. I'm a collector. I like to hold on to them, and I think they're going to do great things in the future. So the hatch rate has changed too. This 21 has gone down to 11, I think was the lowest it got, and then now it's up at 21. So not too bad. But just thought I'd give you an update on it and let you know, because I know a lot of people don't have this yet and they're waiting on it. And I couldn't really find a lot of videos online about it either, recent ones. So I thought I'd just go ahead and give an update. And so if you like the channel, just go ahead and subscribe, hit notifications button, hit the like button, and I'll keep you posted on this. I'll let you know how long it takes to get up to 5, and then how the phone performance works out. And I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not trying to tell you what to do or where to invest, but I'm going to share my experiences with you as I go through it, and hopefully we can learn together, and we can just be part of a community that shares our information, and try not to make the same mistakes twice. So hope you liked the video, and I appreciate everyone that's subscribed so far, and I'll see you the next time. Thanks.